Okay, what's up, interweb? Like a bonehead, I forgot to hit the record, but actually it was Miss Cedillo forgot to remind me. It was her responsibility to remind me. No, just kidding. Okay, I'm going to have to go back and do problems 1 through 4 because I didn't hit the record button. Uh, numbers 1 through 3 are all evaluate with all positive exponents. Now remember, when you have the same base numbers, the bottom numbers, and you're multiplying, you add the exponents. So this is going to be a to the 10th power, 4 plus 6. Okay? Number 2, again, evaluate with all positive exponents. If you have b to the negative 8 divided by b to the negative 5. I tell you, I think the easiest way of doing this so you don't get fouled up and confused is to draw the fraction bar first and take these one at a time. B to the minus 8. Remember, when you have a negative exponent, you move it. If it's in the numerator, the top one, you move it to the bottom. If it's in the bottom, move it to the top. So this one's negative 8, so it goes to the bottom and becomes positive. Right? Right. Same thing here. B to the minus 5. To make the exponent positive, you move it to the numerator. Now, when you're dividing, excuse me, when you're dividing, you subtract the exponents. Remember, when you multiply, you add. When you divide, you subtract. So again, draw the fraction bar. You've got 8 b's down here. You've got 5 up here. So it's going to be b to the 8 minus 5 is 3. And don't forget, you have to have a 1 in the numerator here. Number 3, again, evaluate with all positive exponents. If you have 3h to the negative 5 over 4h to the negative 3, all raised to the negative 2 power. Now the only, it's called the power rule. And when you have a power raised to a power, you multiply the exponents. So we're going to multiply negative 2 times every exponent in here. Now remember, the numbers, the constants, they also have exponents. They're ones, we just don't write it. So this is going to equal, again, if I were you, I'd draw the fraction bar. So it's going to be 3, and again, 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. H, negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10 over 4 to the negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 3 is h to the, did I do this wrong? What a bonehead. Yes, I did. H to the, look, let me start this one over again. I'm sorry. You can see what I'm trying to read here. It's so small and my eyes are so bad. That's the best excuse I have. Number 3, I'm sorry. If we have 3h to the 5th, not negative 5th, I'm sorry, over 4h to the negative 3rd, all raised to the negative 2 power. I'm sorry, I'll do better. No, I probably won't. And again, remember, the constant, the numbers, they also have exponents. So it's going to be 3 to the, now we're going to multiply negative 2 times every exponent. 3 to the negative 2, h to the what am I doing here? Oh yeah, to the negative 10, right? 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, over 4 to the negative 2, and h to the negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. Okay, and remember, when the exponents are negative, move them. Just take them one at a time. It's really very simple. Take them one at a time. 3 to the negative 2 goes to the denominator. H to the negative 10 goes to the denominator. 4 to the minus 2 goes to the numerator. And h to the 6, it's already positive, so it stays. And so this is going to equal 4 squared is 16, I think, over 3 squared is 9. Now, h to the 10th time, this is all multiplying in here. So again, we have the same base numbers, so we can add the exponents. H to the 16th. And number 4 is use the distributive property. B-U-T-I-V-E. Use the distributive property to evaluate. A-L-U-A-T-E. I'm sorry to write like this, but this is what you're going to see on the final. 4c plus 6 times negative 3c minus 5. Okay, very simple. First, we'll take the 4c and multiply it times everything over here. And we get, what is that, negative 12c squared. 4c times negative 3. And then 4c times negative 5 is a negative 20c. All right. Now we do the same thing with the 6. 6 times 3, negative 3c is a negative 18c. 6 times negative 5 is a negative 30. Typically, the two middle terms are called the linear terms, are common. So negative 12c squared, negative 20c, and negative 18c is a negative 38c minus 30. And that's it. And I think the rest of the problems, the numbering I got, and like I said, the type on here is so small I couldn't see it. I'm sorry. I'll do better. No, probably won't. All right, y'all take care. And the test is open until midnight next Monday. I think that's the 26th. So no class Thursday. Use that time to do the test, please. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, Bonds.